Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, till last class we discussed interior angle. Regarding interior angle we discussed. Now see here sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon we are going to discuss. Just see the property sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon. It is 360 degree. It may be a quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nanogon, whatever it is. Okay. So that external angle it is 360 degree. All the polygon exterior angle it is 360 degree. What do you mean by external angle? So outside, okay வா இங்கே பாருங்க, see this figure. Outside angles are called exterior angle or external angles. Okay, now see this figure. It's mentioned exterior angle 90 degree, here 50 degree, here 110, here x. Okay, so you are going to find out the value of x. So see here, x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 is equal to 360 degree. So already I told you students, whenever you are solving the sum, this equal should be in the same line. Okay, that you keep it in mind. So you write this and then you check it. It will look very nicely. Okay, it will look neatly also. Okay, so try this. So x plus this 3 angles you just add, you are getting 250 degree. Okay, now this plus 250, take it after equal, minus 250. Okay, now subtract this. So the value of x it is 110. Like this way you have to solve the exterior angle of polygon or external angles of polygon. Okay, next move to the next one. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. So here you see this, you have to find the number of side, okay, of the regular polygon. Each exterior angle means ஒரு side, ஒரு angle, ஒரு exterior angle it is 45 degree. So total measure of all exterior angle what we have discussed, 360 degree. Okay, now measure of each exterior angle what is there, 45 degree. So the number of sides it is equal to the 360 degree divided by measure of each exterior angle. If you divide, you are getting 8. So the polygon has 8 sides. The polygon has 8 sides. Next, 60 degree. So same like that method you have to do it. So the total measure of all exterior angle it is 360 degree. So each angle means this is one angle. Okay, so that is 60 degree. So the total angle you divide by each angle, you are getting number of side 6. Okay, so the polygon has 6 sides. Next, so till here we have seen each exterior angle has given, you got it, you found number of sides. Now here you see number of side given, you have to find each exterior angle. So find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of side 5 side. If it is 5 side, which angle? That is pentagon. Okay, so see here number of sides 5, measure of each angle we have to find. So the total angle divided by number of side, you are getting 72. So 72 is the measure of each exterior angle. Okay, so now we will move to the exercise. Okay, so the exercise number 3.3. okay, in that question number 2, find the values of x, y, z. So if you have any doubt in this picture, you can see in the book page number 51. Okay, in the book you can see the page number 51. So in the second question, first one we are going to discuss. Okay. So see this figure. So only the internal angle has given 100 degree, it's given. Okay, angle A, B, C, D, like that. This parallelogram name it's given. Okay, it's a parallelogram, or we can tell quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral type it is parallelogram. Okay, so its name ABCD. Okay, now see this. We are going to discuss the value, find out the value of x, y, z. So all it is inside the angle. So see the figure, all it is inside the angle x, y, z. Okay, now so we'll just recall the properties. What are the properties of parallelogram? Of last class already, previous class we discussed. Okay, so opposite angle of a parallelogram are of equal measure. Means what? Opposite angles are equal. For example, you just see angle B, it is equal to angle D. Angle A, it is equal to angle C. Okay, now look here, angle B, it is 100 degree. Now the value of y also 100 degree, because opposite angles are equal. So y is equal to 100 degree. Now we know two angles. Now the rest of the angle we have to find out. So see here. So already you know very well sum of the measures of all four angles of a quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. So this interior angle, sum what is there? If it is quadrilateral means 360 degree. Now see this 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100. So already I told you opposite angles are equal. So angle A and C I have taken P. Angle A it is P, angle C also P, because both are equal. Okay, so 2P. If you add both 2P. Now 2P we will keep it here. This 200 we will take right side. Now you are getting the value 2P is equal to 160. P is equal to 160 divided by 2. So the value of P it is 80 degree. Now see answer. The value of x it is equal to 80 degree and the value of z is equal to 80 degree. See this diagram now. This is the value of x. Okay. And this is the value of z. Already we found the value y is equal to 100. Okay. Now this value of x and z it is 80 degree. Okay. This is the way to find out the answers. Okay, like this diagram, using properties we have to find out the values. Now move to the next figure. Question number 2. Look here. Here only one angle has given. Only one angle has given. Rest of the angle you are going to find out. Okay. Now see this. Angle P is equal to angle. I have given the name for this diagram. Okay, P, Q, R, S. Okay, now P is equal to R and S is equal to Q. Okay, so look here. So the angle S, if it is 50 degree means as usual angle Q also 50 degree. Here they didn't give any name, so I have given myself K. Any variables you can assign this, because here this value they asked, Z value they asked. So for that we should know the interior, then only we can find out this value of x. So opposite angles are equal. So angle S it is equal to angle Q. So the value of K it is 50 degree. Now two angles we know very well, right? So the adjacent angles of a parallelogram 180 degree means what? So see this diagram. This one is 50 degree. Adjacent means these are the adjacent angles. So this angle sum what we are getting? 180 degree. Now this is 50 degree means what is the angle of this? Yes, very good. 180 30 degree. So this one only I solved here. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So interior it's 50 means. So if you subtract, you are getting the value of Z, it is 130 degree. Okay. Now move to the next. The sum of all the angles of quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. So already we know two angles. So now this x and y, I have taken the common name L. Okay, L. Okay, these are two different variables, but angles are equal. So I have taken x. Now see here. So L and L I have taken. Okay. So L and L, if you add 2L. So 360 minus this 100, you are getting 260. Now 2L is equal to 260. L is equal to, if you divide, you will get 130. So the value of x, it is 130, and y also 130 degree. Okay. So like this way only you have to find out the answers. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children.